Want a clearer, easier on-the-eye setup? These monitors offer great value for work, gaming, and media. First, Samsung Essential Computer Advanced LS27D366 Gangsa, $129.99. A 27-inch Full HD IPS monitor that delivers wide viewing angles and consistent color for everyday use. It's roomy for productivity, good for streaming, and pairs well with laptops for dual-screen setups. If you want a large display without overspending, this Samsung offers an excellent balance of size and image quality. Second, Philips Adaptive Replacement Warranty 221V8LB, $89.99. A 22-inch VA panel with adaptive sync support that reduces screen tearing during light gaming and improves smoothness for video playback. Compact and practical for desks where space is limited, it's a sensible pick for mixed work and casual play. Third, Philips Frameless Replacement Warranty 241V8LB, $109.99. A 24-inch frameless Full HD monitor with slim bezels for an immersive multi-monitor setup. Great for content creators and multitaskers who want clean aesthetics and reliable color performance in a mid-size package. A stylish everyday monitor that fits most budgets. Fourth, Dell Monitor 23.8-inch Anti-Glare Comfortview, $149.99. This 23.8-inch display prioritizes eye comfort with anti-glare coating and Comfortview technology to reduce blue light. Ideal for long workdays, coding sessions, and general office use where reducing fatigue matters. Durable stand and factory color calibration make it a solid professional choice. Fifth, Acer Monitor Adaptive Sync FreeSync Compatible, $99.99. A 23.8-inch IPS